Tonight, a sign of progress on Minneapolis streets. After years of darkness caused by copper wire thefts, the city's push to restore streetlights is making progress. Just ahead of the summer, the city council approved an extra $1 million to tackle the problem head on. Now, about 3 months later, council members say that investment is starting to pay off. Renee Cooper joins us live from the city where, Renee, you checked on this progress for yourself.
Yeah, Brittany, to be clear, there's still work to be done here, but we drove around a couple of Minneapolis lakes today and didn't see any of those ripped up streetlights where it was visible that the wire had been pulled from them. And Councilmember Katie Cashman confirms our anecdotal evidence is an actual sign of progress.
I chair the Climate and Infrastructure Committee, so I oversee public works and their progress on these types of issues.
Minneapolis City Council member Katie Cashman pleased with the city's progress on curbing copper wire theft after years of streetlight outages have left pockets pitch black.
And it was my job, I felt, to make sure that every corner of the city was being covered by this, and especially in our parks areas.
Lake of the Isles appears to be the most recent completed project. Instead of lights left ripped open and bare of copper, orange tape noting these streetlights run on aluminum instead now, and no scrap value.
Last update I had was a couple of days ago, and it was near completion. So I think it has been finished at this point. I know that they're also moving on to Beremakaska and Cedar Lake.
The city didn't readily have updated data on the number of outages that remain. In May, Public Works noted 450 outages citywide. That's when city staff and the council worked together to pull $1 million from the city's contingency fund to speed up a backlog of repairs. A Public Works memo we obtained from late June shows lights around Lake Harriet have also been completed. How much of that money has been spent? How much of those outages have been repaired?
That is a really good question. I know that in 2024, we repaired 10 miles of outages, and in 2025, we're ramping up to 20 miles of outages. The repairs are going to go through the fall, so there's still some areas to cover, but we're at the end of the list.
I've requested a more formal update from Public Works on just where they're at in that backlog of repair lists and all the money they've spent on it thus far. We'll keep you posted in the coming days as we learn more. Live in Minneapolis tonight, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.
All right, Renee, we'll know you stay on it. Thank you.